you can't go to school and learn this stuff. You know what I mean? Some of the things that you learn from other people, you're talking about hands-on experience. Like, you got people who pay almost $20,000 a year a semester for school, you know, and they're taught math 101, you know, reading 101, and it's like, you just want to get into your trade and you want to dive into it because you possess these skills, but you just don't know how to, you know, put them out there. You know, a professor isn't going to tell you how to bake a cake, you know, your way, how to have your business promoted to the fullest. You know what I mean?
In 2021.
In 2021.
Like stuff that works now.
You're not going to get that from somebody like that. You know, if you can invest in yourself, you know, spend a couple $100 here, $1,000 there, just to help your business. I mean, if you really understand what we're talking about, say amen.
Exactly. Drop the amen in the chat. That is the thing. Like, the rate of return, the return on your investment. Like, I don't even look at anything that I want to do now. I'm scouring the internet, like, who can teach me? Because I know from investing in myself in the past how much we've just grown and just jumped to other levels, right? And so we're trying to make, I don't even know what limit we're trying to reach right now, but every time I invest in myself, I don't look at it as spending money, because what I get on the back end of it is life changing, y'all. So I'm just here to tell you, we're here to tell you, it's not a sales pitch or anything like that. It's just the fact that you don't know it all, and stop wishing and dreaming and hoping to go to the next level and still spend your days trying to figure it out on your own. Utilize the life hack. Utilize the people that are out there willing to help you and give you the nitty-gritty. Like he said, there ain't no professor. You will go to school in a hot minute and get business 101 from a professor who's never owned a business.
Yeah.
But when somebody who owned a business, made money in a business, you know, retired from a business, is giving you the business behind your passion, your purpose, you're hesitant and, you know, signing up for the services. That makes no sense to me, right? So it's like, how long are you willing to sit and make and keep your purpose a side hustle? Keep your purpose, your life's purpose, on the back burner, right? To do what society tells you should be doing. Nah, society tell you that to keep you at a certain level. It's time for you to go up to the top. Right. Where he came from, he shouldn't even be nowhere like this, okay? Where I came from, I just didn't see people doing what we're doing, going as far as where we're going, and just doing different things to set our babies up the way we're doing it now. So we're here for you. So let them know how to get in touch with us. DM us if you have any questions. We'll let you know. Listen, we will help you in any way you can. Whatever your budget is, whatever you need to do, we will create something for you, because we don't want you to keep going out here. I said let them know where to go, and then I kept talking. But we don't want you out here.
That's who you want. You want somebody like that that's not going to give up on you, that's not going to stop. Because I'm going to keep it 100% for you guys, right?